All right, so this is our seated pec deck machine. Before you sit down, make sure to adjust the seat to find your appropriate height. There's a lever on the bottom of this that you can raise this seat up or down. Find the position that you want, let go of the lever, and then set the seat, make sure it doesn't fall. For your range of motion and starting position, you can adjust this arm back or forth by pulling this lever. You always want to start with the greatest range of motion you have. It's okay if you can't go all the way back. That's why you can adjust it. So go ahead and select the weight that you want to use. Sit down, grab your handles, make sure your back and lumbar is pressed all the way against the pad, and you're going to bring and squeeze your chest to bring your arms out in front of you. Come back, feel the slight stretch in the armpit area, and go ahead and squeeze back in front of you. Make sure that your back stays on the pad. If you have to lean forward to squeeze the weight like this, you're no longer using your chest. So make sure you keep your back on the pad. Come back, squeeze the chest out in front of you. And that is our seated pec deck.